friends, this is Chandra Singh, your mentor of schoolofnifty.com, and over here guys I show you how you yourself can be an expert trader. So basically in the second part of this clip I'll show you where to see the charts and what to see in the charts, but basically I'll keep things very simple over here, and basically two simple things you got to look in a chart. What do you got to look? First thing you got to look is a W formation, and the second thing which you got to look is a M formation. Fine guys? So you can look for this W formation in daily charts, in monthly charts. You can look for this M formation in the same daily charts or monthly charts, and if you are doing intraday trades, you can look for these formations in the 5 minutes chart, in the 15-minute chart, in the 1 hour chart, whichever trading style suits you. So first of all, how to trade when there is a W formation. So suppose this is a W formation in the charts. Now let us draw a line over here, and let us draw a line over here. So the safest place to enter is after you get a confirmation that a W is being formed, which is over here. So you need to enter at this point, and the stop loss this point, and the stop loss would be this point. Right? Now the risky traders who think that who want to enter before the confirmation, and they think that a W is going to be formed, so you can enter over this point, and you can put a stop loss of just below this point. Right? Now the formation or the shapes of W can vary, which means it can be a shape like this, right? And it can be a shape like this. So where to enter? Draw a line over here guys. Draw a line over here. You enter at this point. Fine. Stop loss this point. Fine. If you are a positional trader, if you want to put more stop loss, this can also be a stop loss. Fine. And where to enter over here? This. You can enter over here. This is the point. And what will be the stop loss? Stop loss can be for safe traders. This can be the stop loss, or this can be the stop loss. Fine guys. So look for these formation in the chart, in the line charts, which is a closing price chart. You can also call the closing price chart. Look for this formation, and believe me guys, if you just concentrate on this thing, you can be active trader. Now similarly goes, this is a 1, and similarly goes for the second, which is a M formation. Now suppose this is an M. In the chart, look where the M is being formed. And where do you enter guys? Very simple, same as W. You enter after you see the M is being formed. So you enter over here, this point. This point is there. What is the stop loss? Stop loss will be this point. And this is the thing. And for risky traders, if you think the M is going to be formed, you can enter somewhere over here, and stop loss can be put just below this point. Now the formation M, shapes of M can be different. It can be a M like this, and it can be a M like this. So where you enter, draw a line guys. You can enter, this is your entry point, this is your stop loss point, this can also be a stop loss point, and in this guys, draw a line. This can be your entry point, this can be a stop loss point, and this can also be a stop loss point. So these two things guys, if you concentrate, and you can become a very disciplined trader. But the thing is, you got to be very disciplined. Don't try to outsmart the market, because always remember, market is the supreme. So the stop loss which you need to put in your trades, be very precise and be very disciplined. If the stop loss get hits, just exit it. The stop loss gets hit, don't wait. So in the second part of the clip, guys, I'll show you how and where you can see the chart, and I'll show you a real chart, and you see how simple things can be. Because technical stuff, my guys, is not as hard as people think. If you keep things very simple, and if you are disciplined, if your mindset is perfect, anybody can be a good trader. Thank you, guys. I'm signing off.
Hi friends, welcome to the part 2 of the clip, in which I'll show you how you can go and to a free site and check online the charts, the line charts, and you can plan your own trades. So the chart name is the site name is, guys, chartinc.com. is chartinc.com. This is the site, guys. So this is a site. Now over here, instead of over here, suppose let me type a chart name. Let us look at Dabur chart, Dabur Limited. And this is the chart, peers, guys. This may look bit confusing. So what we'll do over here, we'll change the candlestick. Will change to the closing price. Fine, guys, and the moving averages, we'll remove all the moving averages because we like to keep the steady learning very simple, and we'll update the chart. So now this is the chart, my guys. Now you can see over here, just look for two formation, as I told you. Look for a W and look for a M. So first tell me, where do you see a M? You see a big M over here. See M over here. You see a M over here. So where do you enter? You enter at this point. At this point, when you see when you get the confirmation that the M is being formed, you enter at this point, and your stop loss would be this. And see where it goes. It goes down. Down. That's money, guys. That's some serious money. After that, after a few days, you see again a M over here. Fine, M over here. So where do you enter? You enter over here. This is your stop loss, and where it goes down, zoom. So again, guys, this is money. After that, again, guys, see, you see M over here. This is a M again. Where do you enter? You enter over here, and it goes down. This is our money, guys. Again, you see over here, you see M over here. You now see over here, we see a W over here. So where do you enter? You enter over here. It goes up, zoop. Again M is being formed, you enter over here. Fine, simple, guys. Now look here, again a W is being formed, you enter over here. This is your stop loss. Simple. And now see, this also is a M. Where do you enter? You enter over here. This is your stop loss and profit. Now you all may think that I have specially chosen this chart, so let me randomly go and select some another stock. Let me go and look at Sesa Goa. Fine, guys. Sesa Sterlite. Now this is the chart of Sesa Sterlite. Now what we got to search for, guys? We got to search for the W's and the M. That's it. So as we start, you see there's a big M over here. See, where do you enter? You enter over here. Over here. This is the stop loss. It goes down, zoom. Now what I teach you guys is that when you see when you enter over here, the script goes down. So what you do, instead of booking profits, what I would suggest you is you update your stop loss. When it falls till here or even here, you can update your stop loss to this point, at a point in which this trade will not give you any loss. and you see it goes on, it keeps on going further down. So what you just keep on updating your stop loss. This is the way to trade, guys. You need to ride your profits and you need to cut your loss. Now let us look over here. This is the awesome W formation, guys. This is the stop loss, see the profits. Awesome. Again a W over here and over here. This is stop loss and see the profits. It works. Do you think it works? It sure works, guys. It really works. You see such a big M over here. Comes down. This is the stop loss. Now look over here, guys. This is the area. See this area. Do you see a W over here? Again, where do you enter? You enter over here. Now this is a big stop loss that you can put a stop loss which is comfortable to you. You can put a stop loss over here, and if you're a positional trader, you can of course you can put a stop loss over here. But see the profit, guys. It went up, it went up, it went up, it went up. This is huge money, guys. This is huge money. Now if it goes to the previous month, see the March, you see a W over here. So this, my guys, is a entry point. This is a stop loss. See, now again just few days ago, again a W formation. This is the entry, guys, entry point, and this is a stop loss. So I hope you all got the simple way of trading, guys. Believe me, guys, trading is not as tough as we think. It's just that you need to plan your trades, respect the stop loss, and ride the profits. And if you just do this on consistently, you'll see your capital is growing, your confidence is growing, you have a positive outlook because you know what you got to do. You simply got to look for W's and M, and it's simple, and that's it, guys.